Chris from Schoen Roofing. We're going to show you how we bend up the ends of our panels at the ridge and install some vented closures before we put the final ridge cap on. What we're going to do is on all these panels, we're going to take our folders, we're going to put them in here and try and bend them close to a 90. This is going to stop a lot of the wind-driven rain, all of it, from getting in. This is an exposed fastener system. All right, so we're gonna do that all the way down both sides. Next, what we're gonna do is take our vented foam enclosures. Okay, come closer. All right, so these are, I would say, upgraded ones that come with a self-adhesive back. You can get this stuff in rolls. I find this way easier to use. There is 2 silicone strips. That one's kind of torn off, but 2 silicone strips, super sticky on the back. Try and keep it on there. And this enclosure is made for this profile, so you order different ones. So what we're gonna do is go right inside of our bend, stick it in, stick it in, stick it in, stick it in. All right, so we're gonna come get a really good close up. So you can see this is a breathable material. It's more of a mesh. The bottom is a solid foam, and that's what lets it stick really good to the steel. So when the venting comes through our ridge vent that we cut, it will go down under the cap, through here, and exhaust. If you screw up and use a solid foam closure, which they make, you are gonna trap off all the breathability of this attic. So make sure when you're doing a ridge vent, you get the vented foam closure. Great stuff, super easy to put on. We're gonna do this all the way down, all the way back, and then we're going to show you how to put on the ridge cap. All right.